This video is sponsored by UPresenter, an AI-powered platform for interactive e-learning presentations and quizzes. Besides the clever AI assistant, UPresenter is unique in the AI market for the various built-in interactive questions and detailed report tracking ability. Sign up now and explore many other superior features of UPresenter AI.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize your transition effect in Filmora 14. Okay, so this is the latest version of Filmora, and adding transition is a little bit different in comparison with older version. So just watch the video, okay? So here I am in Filmora 14, and yeah, I have an example project here, and actually it is my current project. So first up, we need to split the video here. Okay, so if you want to add transition between clip, you need to split your clip. Okay, so we have two video. This is the one video and it is another. So I will make this full screen. Okay, just right click here and select the effect, and I can delete the effect, so it will be full screen. And I can mute the audio, and here also, because we don't need the video. Okay, so this is a video from a circle at the corner to full screen. Okay, so now if I want, I can add transition between clip here. So first up, you have to select the video here on the timeline, and the second thing, you want to go to the transition tab. So we have a transition tab here, and remember it has many folder. So but actually it is three main folder. The first one is my, which is the transition that you downloaded from the program. So when you click it at the drop down menu, you have favorite. If you have any favorite transition effect, you can add it to this folder and download. These are the transition effect that you downloaded. Okay, so whenever you want to use any transition effect, you have to download it first. And next up, we have the transition folder. Okay, and there are many subfolder here: trending, phase and dissolve, zoom and slide, and 3D slide, split blur, and new split one, and sound effect transition. So this is a new subfolder. By the way, you need to just find a transition effect here. For example, I can go with fade and dissolve. So if we want, we can use this one. So just click this button, add to project. So it will add the transition effect to the end of the selected clip. For example, if we select here this video, and then this is the end of the clip, so the transition effect will be added to this position, at the split position. Okay, so we can click here at the plus button, add, and now we have a dissolve transition from here to here. So let's play it. Nice, right? And next up, you can adjust the duration of the transition by just click here and then shorten it like this, or extend the duration of the transition like this. Just click, left click, and hold your mouse, and then we can have a transition like this. Slower. Again. No. Again. Okay, and there is another option to change the duration of the transition. Actually, you can change the transition type also. By the way, we need to replace to another one. For example, the slide one. So I will select this one, push right. Okay, so I will use this one. First thing first, I need to download it, and then I can just drag and drop it directly here to replace the dissolve transition. So we have a push right transition like this. Okay, and now we can double click at the transition effect. So now you have some more option if you are at the latest version of Filmora 14. So this is the transition type. You can change the transition type. Okay, for example, this is a push right, and now you can select this drop down menu, and you have push up, push down, and push left. But normally I will go with push right or push left. I will never go with this one because it has a big key diamond button. I have to purchase a subscription to use them. Okay, so we can change it to push left, for example. Okay, and it will be the push left. By the way, I will shorten the duration of the transition. Something will look like this. Okay, and you can change the duration also. Just double click at the transition again, For example, here I can make it 1 second and 0 frame. Okay, and transition type, and here we have more setting for the prefix, overlap, and postfix, but I don't mind about this one. So okay, and another new option is this button. Normally we just have an apply to all button. By the way, now we have a drop down menu, apply duration to all, or apply to all, meaning that apply all the transition type to all the cut on the timeline. Okay, so now if we just want to apply the duration, we can click here, apply duration to all, and now all the transition effect we have 1 second. Okay, for example, we have another one like this, and we can add this one. Okay, push left to this one, and then we can double click at this one, so it is 1 second. And then we have here, we change it to push right, and if we click here, apply to all, so all the transition will become push right. Okay, we can click here, apply to all, to have push right at all the transition. Okay, and now we have this position, push right, and we have another position, this one also push right. Interesting, right? So if you want to just change the duration, you can select this one, apply duration to all, and if you want to change both the duration and the transition type, you can click here, apply to all. So this is how you can add and edit your transition in Filmora 14. By the way, if you want to set the default duration of the transition, you can do it also. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So here in Filmora, for example, I have another cut here. So if we go to File and select References, and then we can select Editing. So at the Editing tab here, we have the transition duration. So normally it will be 2 seconds. So this is the default duration, and you can even set it to frame also. So here is the frame and second. So if you want to reduce the default transition, for example, I can make it 1 second. Then I can just set it 1 second, and I can apply. So next time when you drag and drop your transition onto the timeline, for example at this position, it will be 1 second. Okay, so we go back to the dissolve and fade. We can just drag and drop it here. So just double click here to double check. So it will be 1 second. This is the duration of a transition. Alright, so this is how you can add and customize your transition effect in Filmora 14. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, just let me know at the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.